Hi guys, it's me Tifa Tala. Today I'm gonna answer Sumakay. Sumakay.
Number.
Sumakay.
Oh, what's the root word? Salitang ugat.
Makay.
Sumakay.
Sumakay.
What's the root word? You read.
Sumakay.
Oh, what's the root word?
Sumakay. I know, not makay.
What?
Sumakay.
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 What's the salitang ugat? What is sumakay?
Driving a car.
No.
Okay. Sumakay.
You will ride. Oh, sumakay. Sa?
Ma.
Sa?
Sa.
If you will ride a jeep. What? Sakay.
Sakay.
Oh my gosh. Don't know that word.
Sakay.
Oh, what's the panlapi? Oh. Sumakay. Next, read.
Mabigla.
Oh.
Bigla.
Oh. What is mabigla?
Ma.
It is mabigla. Shock.
Magsabi. Sabi.
Oh.
Mag. Matuwa.
Oh.
Tuwa.
Oh. I know that already. How many times you're answering that?
Mabigla.
Again, number, no, the other one.
Tapusin. Pusin.
Tapusin.
Tapos.
Oh. Tapos.
Tapos. In.
That's O, Tala. O, you make it O.
In.
Tala, make it a line, ah. That's already, oh. You're going there already, oh. It's okay. Next time, oh, straight. Follow that.
Iligtas. Ligtas.
What is iligtas? What is that in English? Like the panlapi. Straight. Straight. There, oh. Later you will go there now.
Ligtas.
E.
E.
I only.
And no L. Magulat. Gulat.
You forgot again. Oh, down of I.
Gulat. Ma.
There. That's a straight line.
Bilisan. Bilis. An. Tandaan. Tanda.
Hmm.
An. Tumigil. Migil.
Stop. Tigil.
Ay.
Tama.
Tigil. Bye-bye, guys.